Could easily make $4,000 every single month with this simple strategy, and this is something which is very unsaturated. Not many people are doing this stuff, and there is a great opportunity for you. And the thing is that there is so less competition that you could really quickly rank in this stuff. Okay, so I'm going to share with you the entire strategy step by step, so keep watching this video till the end so that you can earn some good money online. Let's get started into the video. Use Canva for this thing. Okay, the thing is that you just need to come to this Canva, and you can see this very beautiful tab over here which is known as presentation. Okay, so you can create very good PowerPoint presentations with this. Okay, don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can make money with this presentation. Okay, so I know that it is very simple, but the templates which Canva provides you with are really super awesome. Okay, so you can see you can get any of this awesome superb templates. Okay, so let's select one of this, and you can just edit it according to your will. Okay, so this can be the first page. After that you can just add a second page, and this will be your second page. So in this way you just have to create a presentation on Canva. Now it is easier as compared to what you are going to create on Microsoft PowerPoint or Google Slides, because Canva provides really awesome templates and the presentations look really good. Okay, now once you have created the presentation on Canva, you just need to click on this download button which is over here. You just click on this download, and this presentation will get downloaded to your computer. Just select the file type over here. As you can select SVG MP4, but if you want it as a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, you just need to go over here. Okay, you can see this box over here. Just click on that, and now just type over here. You just need to type something that is to download it as a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Now you just need to just write it PPT. Okay, so you just need to click on this Microsoft PowerPoint, and this will be downloaded to your computer as Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so this is something which you have to do, okay, in terms of making money with this awesome Canva. Okay, so this is the first thing which you can do, and in this way you can download presentations from Canva, create, edit them. All the functions are available over here, so that's the easiest thing to do. Okay, you can just click on this, edit this, whatever you want to make the presentation into. That is the first thing you can cover with this. Okay, so this is how a presentation is created. Now let me show you how you can make money with this presentations. Okay, and this presentation looks really cool, and the thing is that these are the best templates available because Canva provides the world's best templates. Now how you can monetize this presentation is what I'm going to show you in this video. So now you can go to Fiverr. Okay, let me show you, don't just skip the video. You can go to Fiverr, and you just have to type in this keyword. Okay, and that is Canva presentation. Okay, don't type in presentation, just type in Canva presentation. Go to Fiverr, and you can see only 154 people are providing this service. Yes, only 154 people are providing this service on Fiverr. So there is a great chance that you can provide this service on Canva, and there is very less competition for you to face. So definitely just go and start providing this, because a lot of people nowadays are searching for Canva presentation on Fiverr, and the thing is that these people are just providing that particular service. Okay, so you can see this guy is going to just create a presentation for people using Canva. Okay, because the keyword is Canva presentation, and this keyword really gets very many amount of searches every single month on Canva. And the thing is that you just need to create simple presentations, and you can target this narrow keyword or a small niche on Fiverr, so that you don't face the competition and you can get your first order as soon as possible. So this is something which is really awesome. Now let me share you some extra tips. Okay, so you can see, you can just check out, reverse engineer what the first person is doing, okay, in his gig. So this is the person who is providing this service, and basically this person is the one whose gig is ranking number 1. So he was to be someone who is providing this gig to the best or providing the best service. And the thing is that what you need to do is you need to understand what type of thumbnail he has created and try to replicate it. I'm not gonna say that you just have to copy it, you can just replicate it, what type of interesting thumbnail he has created and what type of keywords or what you can just use this as a template, okay, and you can just make it your apply your own creativity and utilize this template, because this is the gig which is converting the most. And what you need to do is just reverse engineer this, understand what this guy is doing, apply this strategy absolutely to your own Canva gig, Canva presentation Fiverr gig, okay, and you could really be getting all this traffic absolutely for free from Canva, and you could start earning some good amount of money. See, you can just use some of the things over here. You can just use this how he has placed the text over here, you can utilize that. You can just add your own creativity, but just understand, okay, the process of reverse engineering, the process of proper thumbnail, these two are the most important things. If you have the best thumbnail and if you are really able to really just apply all these points which are covered in this gig by this particular guy who is already successful on Canva, then the chances that you will get your first gig order on Canva Fiverr as soon as possible becomes number one. So you will get a lot of orders if you are really able to do this stuff, and literally you are just creating presentations on Canva and you can be making some good amount of money with this, okay. And I hope you have got the entire thing what I have told you, and you will be targeting this unsaturated niche which has just 154 results available, and the keyword is Canva presentations. Take a diary and note it down in your smartphone, okay. If you are having a diary, then do it in your diary, or if you are having a smartphone, then just take a note, and the keyword is Canva presentation. It has very less competition. Jump onto this trend, okay, as soon as possible and start earning some good amount of money as soon as possible. The entire strategy which you can literally do utilizing the power of Canva, and this way you could be making some good money online. I hope you got some value out of this video. Press the like button, subscribe button. See you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, subscribe, and thanks for watching.